It's an island less than 100 miles from the White House, a town the Army Corps of Engineers says could be underwater in less than 25 years. Still, President Trump reportedly told the mayor of Tangier, Virginia, not to worry, saying, "Your island has been there for hundreds of years, and I believe your island will be there for hundreds more." Mr. Trump reportedly called the mayor after CNN ran a story about the impact of climate change on the island, something many residents are concerned about. The Army Corps studied the area and found that only 30% of the original land remains. The town only has 450 people, but had a big turnout for Trump during the election. 87%. The president's actions are in line with his anti-climate change rhetoric during his campaign and comes just weeks after he pulled out of the Paris Agreement.